AgentKit from OpenAI launched last week. I had this running in 2 days. Event feedback usually means hours in spreadsheets, hunting for patterns in hundreds of responses. So I built EventPulse. You create an event by just talking to it. Surveys go out automatically. Then AI reads everything and finds sentiment, themes, and critical issues. It gives you actual insights instead of just raw data. Ask it questions, get real answers. It's conversational. ChatKit handles that part. Behind it, AgentKit's visual builder orchestrates everything. I built custom tools that store events in a database, generate the feedback forms, run AI analysis with GPT-4, and route your questions to the right place, all through conversation. Reading responses, finding patterns, writing reports. Used to take 10 hours. Now it takes 1. I built this in 48 hours as an experiment to see what's actually possible with this tech. Full code's on GitHub, the workflow setup, the MCP server, all of it. This is one of the first real implementations out there. Check out the code, see how it's built.